Hey guys, it's me Courtney and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing another Christmas look. It's going to be this graphic liner with a clean red lip, not too much going on, so if you are interested in how to get this look, then please continue to watch. Starting with brows, I'm using my Kat Von D Brow Struck Powder. I feel like powders are always a good bet, especially on days when you really don't feel like being exact with your brows, if that makes sense. For a little bit more definition, I am going to add some brow strokes using my ink stain from Urban Decay. For concealer today, I'm going to be using my TooFaced Born This Way concealer. But right now, I'm just going to clean up the brows a bit. And prime my eyelids. Next, I'm using my Stila Stay All Day liner, and I'm angling my liner where it extends from the lower lash line outward, moving toward the direction of the edge of my brow, making adjustments when needed to work with the overall shape of my eye. And then we're gonna drag it inward. And honestly, at this point, you can continue to play with how thick or how thin or long you want your wing. Just fill it in and try to keep your hands as steady as you can. Honestly, it's trial and error most days. Also, keep in mind that you can take a flat brush and concealer to clean it up. And most of the time I would, but I was being a little bit lazy on this particular day. Instead, I added lashes and kept it moving. For the face, I decided on my Tarte Smoothing Primer to blur out all of my pores. And then I went in with my Clinique Even Better Foundation. Now the color I got is a tad darker than my tone, but I don't mind it too much. I actually have a review of this foundation coming out soon if it's not already out. Next, we're using that same TooFaced concealer in all the usual spots. I'm also going to dip into my powder and set my concealer by pressing it into the skin with the sponge. Since I'm already tan from the foundation, I'm going to use my NYX contour stick because it works more as a light bronzer situation. And I'm taking that contour into my brows and down the natural curve on the bridge of my nose. I'm going to use my Becca bronzer, which I've hit pan on, and lightly bronze just the perimeter of my face. To finish the eyes, I'm taking a little glitter glue into my tear duct area. I'm using the loose pigment from Colourpop. This one is in the Maiden. Honestly though, I think it would look pretty dope with any color that you wanted to use. But I'm going to place that on top of that glitter glue. I'm going to highlight with my Colourpop Churro highlighter. And Patrick Ta for the blush to melt everything together. I'm also going to go ahead and set everything with my Dewy set from ABH. For lips, I'm using my Urban Decay pencil in 69 to line. And lastly, I'm going to blot out my Fenty Stunna lip paint in Uncensored. And there we have it. That about does it for me. Hopefully this video was fun and helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if the mood suits you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.